Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most competitive exams in India, the IIT JEE. Whether you're a student, a parent, or just curious about the exam, this video is for you. So, let's get started. The Joint Entrance Examination, commonly known as the JEE, is the gateway to some of the most prestigious engineering institutes in India, including the Indian Institutes of Technology, IITs. The exam is conducted in two stages, JEE Main and JEE Advanced. Let's first talk about JEE Main. This is the initial step and is conducted by the National Testing Agency, NTA. JEE Main has two papers. Paper 1 is for BE Tech admissions and Paper 2 is for B Arch and B Planning courses. Today, we will focus on Paper 1 as it's the more common route. JEE Main Paper 1 consists of three subjects: physics, chemistry, and mathematics. It is a computer-based test, and the duration is 3 hours. The paper has 90 questions, with each subject contributing 30 questions. These 30 questions are divided into two sections. Section A has 20 multiple-choice questions, MCQs, and Section B has 10 numerical value questions, out of which only 5 need to be answered. Now, let's talk about the marking scheme. Each correct answer in Section A earns you 4 marks, but beware, there's a negative marking of 1 mark for each incorrect answer. In Section B, each correct answer also gives you 4 marks, but there is no negative marking for incorrect answers in this section. The total marks for JEE Main Paper 1 is 300. Clearing JEE Main with a good rank qualifies you to take JEE Advanced, which is the second and final stage of the IIT admission process. The competition gets tougher here, so let's see what JEE Advanced is all about. JEE Advanced is known for its challenging questions and unpredictable patterns. It consists of two papers, Paper 1 and Paper 2, both of which are mandatory. Each paper is 3 hours long and tests you on physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Both papers include a mix of multiple-choice questions, numerical answer-type questions, and questions with multiple correct answers. The marking scheme can vary each year, adding to the unpredictability. Some questions have partial marking, and there's usually negative marking for incorrect answers. This exam not only tests your knowledge but also your analytical and problem-solving skills. Preparing for these exams requires a strategic approach. Here are a few tips. 1. Strong fundamentals. Ensure you have a strong understanding of basic concepts in physics, chemistry, and mathematics. 2. Regular practice. Practice previous year's papers and take mock tests to get familiar with the exam pattern. 3. Time management. Learn to manage your time effectively during the exam. 4. Stay updated. Keep yourself updated with any changes in the exam pattern or syllabus. Remember, consistency is key. It's important to stay motivated and not get discouraged by setbacks. Every small step you take brings you closer to your goal. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Good luck with your preparation, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.